Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Today I am thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn-filled adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey in today's video. We are going to explore our best crochet collection for women's. We have different types of crochet design, beautiful and different color crochet sleeping marks designs collection. In this video we show you some crochet sleeping marks designs collection. These are all handmade crochet sleeping marks designs collection. We always have some stylish and luxury collection of crochet sleeping marks pattern. You can see the beauty of these crochet sleeping marks designs collection. These are all collection are very useful. These collection will definitely helps you to improve your personality. These crochet sleeping marks are very cute and beautiful. New ideas, all crochet design. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is a new adventure for you. Thanks for watching.